This is what I teach my traders to do. I teach them that they can stay and trade longer, but I don't want them to have to stay and trade longer. There's a difference between being compelled to and wanting because I like it, I just want to continue. That's different. But I do want you to be able to make your living in the markets in a relatively short period of time. That's what I did many, many years ago. I no longer wanted to sit in front of a screen all day. Do you understand, guys? I no longer wanted to treat this like a full-time job. I wanted freedom. I wanted my total independence. I wanted to be able to squish a decent amount of profitability into 10, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes tops. And this is what I teach the traders to do, to be able to earn your living inside of 20 minutes. And I show it to you over and over and over and over again. I can show it to you in any market. Somebody was saying, can I show you a Brazilian market? I just don't have that prepared today. But yes, I've got like 1,000 plus Brazilian traders that trade the Brazilian market. This is 10, 15, 20-minute money. Boom! Protect myself, add, boom! Profit take, profit take. Go to the freaking beach. Go to the mall. Walk your dog around the corner. Do whatever it is that floats your boat. You're done. You're finished. All right? Next play. We don't have to, guys. We do not have to play all day. Boom! 2, protect myself. First color change, add, profit take. I'm done. Go to the beach. Go to the mall. Walk your dog. Do whatever it is that floats your boat. We don't have to develop blurry eyes and bad bladders staring at the screen all day. If you want to do that, that's fine. Here, look. Boom! Power bar. Enter. Stop. Hidden color change, profit take. You're done. Go to the beach. Go to the mall. Walk your dog around the park. Go work out. Do whatever it is, right, that floats your boat. That's all we need. Look at this. These are 2-minute bars. Boom! Tail bar power. Stop. Remember the color change. Remember remember the hidden color change. This dropped. This went red. This dropped. That's a hidden red right there. And boom. So power bar entry, stop, hidden color change, profit take. You're out. Go to the beach. I don't know, go to the mall. Walk your dog around the park. Go to the gym, work out. Do whatever it is that your heart desires. Power bar, entry, stop, color change, add, profit take away from your ad. You're done. You're finished. Do whatever it is that your heart desires. Exxon, look, power bar, entry, protection, color change, profit take. Now, some people might have taken this profit a little early. That's fine. Power bar, protection. Maybe they say, I don't get a color change, profit take. That's fine. But there's a secondary play here. Remember, when you're in trending mode, you can take color changes at or near the 20. Color change, add, secondary play, out. Now go to the beach. Now go to the mall. Now walk your little mutt around the park. Now go to the gym and work out. Do whatever it is your heart desires. Play zones, guys. So I want you to understand that when you have a narrow state, guys, your buy zone, that's called position 1. You can also buy in position 2, but I don't want you buying in position 3 because that's too high. Do you understand? So You can buy in position 1. Position 1 is right above your moving averages. Position 2 is a little bit more. See? Position 2, position 1, position 2. This would be position 3. This color change here is too high. I don't know if you see that, because that's like position 3. I don't want you acting in position 3. So here, look, narrow state, position 1 is good. Position 2 is good. Position 3 is not good. Okay? Same thing on the downside. Position 1 is good. Position 2 is good. But position 3 is not good. So I need you acting in position 1 and 2. Here is a buy in position 1. Okay? Here's a buy, a color change buy in position 2. That's fine. Okay, now let's go here. Here is my state. There's my 200, there's my 20. Here is a buy in position 1. My add is in position 2. That's fine. But if the add comes here, that's position 3. That's not fine. Okay? Make sure that all of your activity is in position 1 and 2, not in 3. We're back to position 1. Boom. Profit take. So my play here, guys, let's do the formula. Power bar entry, protection, color change add, profit take. Go to the beach. La playa. All right, narrow state. This is position 1. Sorry, this is position 1. Right above, this is position 2. This would be position 3. You want to buy above the tail bar power. Boom, stop. Now, now look at this. This is a perfect example, guys. We're buying above tail bar power. Tail bar power entry, stop. There is no color change, there is no color change, there is no color change until here, but that would be buying, that color change is in position 3. So that's not, I have to miss that one. That should be where I'm taking profits. So the play goes like this. Power bar entry, stop. Profit take. No color change add in this case. All right, good. Okay. Position 2. Here is a neutral bar. Neutral bars can be ignored until you get a color change. Here's a color change here if you want. Here's a color change if you want, or a power bar. All right, as long as you're not doing activity up here and you're doing it in 1 right above or 2 not that far above. So you got to get your position right. You got to know what position. Here's position 2. This would be position 1. And this entry here would be position 2. You're still in position 2. This is okay, but when you start to get wide and high, you start to get into position 3, and that's when the game should stop. All right? Look at this. Narrow state, power bar, boom! I want you to come from all way over here, guys, like a torpedo. Here's where you are. You're over here. Here you are. You are. And you just send it. Once you see that red bar break down below the narrow state, you send that missile. Color change add. Boom. Color change add again, as long as it's not too far. That's fine. Boom. Profit take, go to the beach. La playa. Same thing every single time. So look, the formula is power bar entry, stop, color change, add, color change, add again if you like, as long as it's pretty close. Profit take. And if you profit, and if you leave some in, you just let the rest ride. All right. Okay. Here is, what position is this? It's position 1. I want you to be able to identify position 1. Okay? This is position 2. It's not that far. This color change is position 2. All right? I just want you to be able to identify the right position. Here's my moving averages. I'm pretty much still in position 1. This is position 2, this color change entry. So this would go something like power bar entry, stop, hidden color change, profit take, out, go to the beach. All right? La playa. I like it. Here's position 1. I think we did this already. That's position 1. This is position 2. Guys, the numbers of traders that have their trading this organized, this set, this systematic. Here are your 2 moving averages. You start off in position 1, power bar entry, stop, color change, add, profit take, out, go to the beach. You don't need to stick around. This could be thousands of dollars in minutes, guys, in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes tops. This is powerful. We covered this before. Look at this. Okay, narrow state. Okay, this is position 1. This is position 2. Can I take this tail bar play here? Power tail, boom. So the play would go like this. It's position 2. This would be position 3. Right? So, boom. Power tail bar entry, stop. Color change, no. Why? Position 3. I don't get a color change. So instead, I'm going to take profits, go to the beach.